get started. It smells very sweet. Oh, well, it's edible because I just ate it. I'm still alive. They're little nuggets of crunchy cereal. The flavors are very similar. Is there a hole in them? Are these Fruit Loops? Yay. Alright guys. This feels like plastic. Oh, there's two different plastic things. What's this? Oh, this is chopsticks. Whatever this is, I eat with chopsticks. Why does it feel spongy? It smells really fishy. Okay. Yep, it smells like fish. Did I get it right? Yay! Gross, why did you not give me soy sauce? I'm kinda glad I didn't eat the tuna because I don't like tuna. Whoops, I dropped it on the table. Sorry guys. Alright guys, what's next? It's on a plate. It smells sweet. Here goes nothing. Oh, why is it so sweet? What is this? It's a candy that bursts in your mouth. What is it? I mean, it tastes good. I don't know the name, it's just sweet. Pops in your mouth. What is it? What is this? Is this a spoon? This isn't gonna help me guess what it is. This is the stuff in boba. Oh, it tastes really good, guys. How could I guess this? So random. But it was better than sushi. Okay. This is gross. Wait, is this food? What? Oh, what is this? Why is this? Why is it a circle? Yuck! Oh my god. Are you seriously making me eat an octopus tentacle right now? This is disgusting. I'm just gonna eat this bit, okay? This is the most disgusting thing I've ever eaten on camera. Oh my god, I hate you. Okay, after the octopus, I'm sure it can't be worse than that. Let's do it one more time. Very satisfying. Let's try 3 at a time. That was fire. Okay, this is not a food. This is a packet of something. I think I'm supposed to pour this out into the bowl. Oh, this feels like sugar or something, but it doesn't smell like sugar. It's not soft like flour though. It feels like crystals. Dang, what is it? I give up. Why is there water here? Okay, this is expanding a lot. This is instant snow. Okay, please clean up my mess. Alright guys, this is not food. Okay, this is